Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G200, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Google Fits on this device. So in my case, the Google Fits are activated, and just if you want to turn it off, here hold to your screen and you'll see the home settings. Just go there, and here you got the wipe access section, tap there and switch your Google Fits to nothing. And now we'll check that. Yes, can you see when I'm just swipe down to the right with my finger, I can't open the Google Fits. That means that I'm just deactivated this option. And if you want to just enable the Google Fits again, by the same way, go to the home settings, here tap to the swipe access and switch it to the Google Fit. And as can you see right now, we just again activated our Google Fits on this device. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.